Hey, what's happening? We're out here. We're at Coco View down in Roatan, Honduras, and I'm right outside my room, room number 18. Behind me here is the Overwater Cabanas. I did not get that. So what we got here, we got the little boardwalk, and then behind me, room 18, we got the upper deck here. Uncle Mike's right there, just two doors down. And then the clubhouse is right behind me and where we take off from the shore dives. Come on in. Here's our bucket of water to wash our feet off for the no-see-ums. My clothesline, my little patio. My hammock will go from that corner up there. And come on in. Here's our room, our desk, the beds, my closet, the work table. We don't drink the water out of the faucet, we only drink the bottled water there. Pretty much it. There's our room.